Yes! We're blowing away! Max almost blew to school.
School is so bad.
Yeah, they couldn't even have the kids outside this morning. Pizza delivery. Oh, we've got someone's bill. Nature's Instacart. Look at this, you guys. It blew our 12-foot skeleton over.
He's definitely damaged.
He is damaged. He's broken. Our trampoline was just right here, and it blew all the way over there. Are you okay? Hey, buddy. Don't be scared. He's scared. He's like, I don't even want to see what's going on out there. Just tell me when it's over. Oh my gosh, Harvester. Someone smashed down there. Who has been murdered? Look, it's like the witch from Dorothy. Wizard of Oz. Baba! Creepy Catherine is hiding under the trailer. And she's talking. Catherine! Oh my gosh. She's talking. Oh, are you okay, Catherine? Look at this! He's been doing this for hours now. When times get hard, when things get rough, if you're having a bad day, just remember, Pumpkin Boy, he is an example to us all. I salute you, Pumpkin Boy! Groceries! Grocery delivery! Oh my gosh, you guys want some homework? Oh, a newspaper? Wow! Oh my gosh! Instacart delivery! Mr. Howell? No! Look at all those tree branches down. Look at all the branches down they've got. That is the Emperor of Souls, guys. What has happened to the Emperor?
But I don't know where it is at all.
Oh my word! Maybe I can peek for you.
It was really nice.
Yes. Yes.
I've already just taken a fall.
Oh no. Well, we're here. We have a yard like this too, and if there's anything you need help with, we can help you. I have a feeling it blew down because it's like hollow and light, and it blew down the sidewalk. We're gonna go look. You guys, we're going to help that poor lady find the 12-foot skeleton skull. It's pretty dangerous, so we're gonna have to be fast about it. I feel like there's a skull in here somewhere. It's worth saving. I have a feeling it's in this field. Skelly! Andy thinks he sees it. Oh my gosh, you found it! He found it! Andy! You are a hero! Oh, that poor sweet lady. She's gonna be so happy. Is that a pumpkin? Is that a pumpkin? You guys, we're recovering broken conch pieces from the fields. Oh my word, babe! That poor sweet woman, she fell trying to fix her display. There's no way she could come in this boat. We got him. We got the skull. It's a miracle. We found it! You guys, look at this. We have a serious, this is hurricane force winds here. We've had this crazy storm that blew in last night. It's still going. 50-mile-an-hour winds, you guys. If you look at the videos, everything was blowing away. Look at this. It's still bad, and it's going to keep doing this till I think 9 tonight, something like that.
Yeah,
look at this. Our spider is completely ripped off in the spider web. Yeah, let's go see what Andy had to bring in the morning. Okay, look what got destroyed.
I'll bring you that.
Okay, our cauldron got destroyed last night. It got smashed. We know there's several things broken. Wait till you see what happened in the backyard. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Whoa. It's dangerous to be out here at certain points. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It broke clean through, you guys. Just snapped that leg right off. Here's the leg.
Sad. This was my favorite.
That was his favorite prop.
Jim was all tangled up in the...
Oh, Jim was hanging on for dear life.
Oh, Jim was right there.
I bet he was hanging on with his little arms, just his legs flying in the air. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So there's one thing broken, just snapped clean in half. We're gonna have to figure out how to fix this. Okay, let's look over here, babe.
I have some of that PVC glue.
Oh yeah, PVC glue. Absolutely. That sounds impressive. Look at this. The dino got complete. I mean, of course he's gonna get blown over. That's no surprise. But look, our flowers.
Max was trying to tether him down too.
Oh, Max was trying to tether Tree, and he is
trying to tether his dinosaur.
Oh, his dino. Look at this. Tree's completely knocked over and pulled his stakes out. We put rocks on all the inflatables last night, heavy rocks, so they wouldn't blow away. So let's see if we lost anything. See, they look like they're all still there. We did a pretty good job, like, putting rocks on them, so I don't think we lost anything. Hopefully, oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa, oh my gosh. The only thing I'm worried about is, like, them being ripped by the rocks or you know, by something sharp, or the cords getting pulled out. We have so many groceries, babe.
Oh yeah.
Look how many groceries.
Everybody's groceries are in our yard.
We have oh my gosh, groceries. Oh my word, you guys. So we might have to like walk around and just like adjust a few things, make sure the rocks are in the right places. So we'll kind of bend him over and kind of put it there. Every inflatable has heavy rocks, multiple rocks, whatever it takes to keep these guys from just flying away. Base fans were everywhere last night. Here, I'll put another one right here. You just like push the air out, unzip them, push the air out, and then you kind of just fold them up. So let's see, this one probably needs to be folded a little bit better. Whatever's flapping, you just try to secure it down. So we've got 50-mile-an-hour hurricane winds. I don't think we've lost a thing. But what I'm worried about is our neighbors up the street. Our neighbors up the street never turn their display off. Never. It doesn't matter how stormy it is. That's their rules. They keep it on. And Andy drove past it this morning to take Max to school, and he said everything's destroyed, like knocked down. Oh no! What's going on? So we're probably going to go over to Ron and Holly's in a moment and just see what happened. See if they're okay. Okay, I have one big heavy rock. Let's just put it here. All right, should we look at Skelly? So Infernie is actually okay because Andy came out last night. We've got sandbags and stones on his base. But Andy came out last night. The thing about these 12-foot skeletons is, look at that. When the wind blows, the arms shake really bad. The arms like swing and shake. And yeah.
Plastic that holds them on. They don't have
yeah. You just kind of screw, like clip them in place. So the arms. Yeah. So their little arms are just shaking and flying, and the head. So Andy just pulled them all. He got a ladder out last night and just took them all off to save them. Because, shall we show them the backyard? Let's show you guys the backyard. This is the first destruction. Oh, more groceries. Nature's giving us groceries.
Yeah, it was garbage day today.
Yeah, garbage day.
Everybody's garbage day.
It's Nature's Instacart. Oh, what's this? What is this? Reaper! Repeat. You hung in there, little buddy. You really hung in there. He was in the rose bush. You guys have had me since Max was a baby. I'm not leaving. Oh my gosh, pizza delivery. Pizza delivery. Oh, we've got someone's bill. Oh, we got some root beer. Nature's Instacart. One of these things that catches the rain. I saw it. It was flipped upside down in the garden. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Max is swing. I cannot believe this thing is just hanging out. It's not going anywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this, guys. The two major things are out here. Look at all these sticks and branches that have blown up. I'm surprised a tree hasn't blown over. Look at this, you guys. It blew our 12-foot skeleton over.
He's definitely damaged.
He is damaged. He's broken, guys.
His arm is broken.
Yes.
So I don't know how we're going to fix
Yeah, we already know. See that arm socket? Look at that. He is broken. Like his arm got broken last night. That's why Andy took the other one in.
He might be out of commission for the year.
Oh my goodness gracious. We will definitely find a way to fix him if we can, but this is bad. His arm socket snapped off. There's his head.
His head off.
Oh, you did? Okay, good. So what happened is it shook and the arm, one of his arms fell off last night, and when it hit the ground, it broke, right? Is that how it, yeah. So it broke. So Andy came out and took the other arm off and the head, just like he did with Inferno, and then he just put them there. So I thought they blew off.
I even came and put a sandbag out, but it moved the sandbag.
Oh, look, the sandbag even broke. So Andy put the sandbag, this was the sandbag, and he put it on the base to hold it down. Broke. It just broke. Oh man, there's the stakes. They all got ripped out of the ground. We're gonna have to use those giant stakes for the snowman maybe. Look at this. So for a split second I was like, oh my gosh, his head's broken. I was gonna cry. But Skelly is down, you guys. He's down. Yeah.
The thing that sucks is this is the arm that fell and broke. That joint's broke, so I can't like interchange
Oh
this
my
arm.
gosh. This arm is the one that fell off and broke. So it fell off and then its little thing right here broke.
No, it's the joint right here, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so there.
That gets
Whoa. Okay. So that one, and then the socket on the other side. So it's like, yeah.
he might
Yeah. Dude, well, we're gonna figure something out. If we have to rebuild him with something and turn him into something, we're gonna either use him or fix him, turn him into something. We'll do something. Those things are expensive. We're not just gonna throw them in the trash. Okay, shall we show him what happened over here?
Yeah.
So Andrew came out last night at like midnight.
This is where it was.
Okay, our trampoline blew from here to there, guys. Our trampoline was just right here, and it blew all the way over there, and it was like so bad. We heard it through the window in like the middle of the night, and Andy came out to look at the trampoline, and he thought it was gone, and it had blown all the way over here.
Look at all the groceries. It's right in the garden.
Look at our groceries. Oh my gosh, we have more groceries. So many groceries. Oh my god, look at all these groceries. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is truly nature's Instacart.
Yes.
Wow. I didn't ask for this, guys, but thanks. Look at this. What's this? Ew, it's black. Yeah, we don't even drink, so.
Yeah.
Lovely. Oh my gosh, so yeah, we're gonna have to get a trash bag. We're gonna have to come out here and like seriously clean all this. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is our garden. Was our garden.
Show up before it's done.
Yeah. We picked all our vegetables already and our pumpkins, and we carved them last night. So I'm sure you guys will be seeing our vegetables. I'm doing a big, huge video of like all of our display building stuff and getting our yard ready for Halloween. It's gonna be a really long compilation of all the footage we've done. And part of that is when we came out here and picked all our vegetables. Guys, this is so bad. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. Guys, we're blowing away. Max almost blew to school.
School is so bad.
Yeah, they couldn't even have the kids outside this morning. They had to go inside immediately. This is so bad.
Oreo thinks he's up to sun.
Yeah, he's like fighting the wind. Our cat. He is a weird cat. Look at Oreo. He thinks he's fighting the wind. Like he's fighting the leaves, I think. What you doing? What you doing, buddy? He's like so excited. What are you doing, buddy? Oh my gosh, are you hiding from the wind? Oreo, what you not even doing? Are you okay? Hey, buddy, don't be scared. Don't be scared, little buddy. Oh, he's crying like a baby, guys. Wee, wee. Oh, little buddy. Yeah, guys, I still hadn't finished the Nightmare Before Christmas display. because we have a couple new ones. We have 2 new zeros to unbox, and Dr. Finkelstein is coming tomorrow, I think. So we're gonna be unboxing Dr. Finkelstein and 2 more zeros to add to the display. And it's like so bad. We're gonna have to wait for a couple more days till the storm passes, because it is just like insane. It's crazy. What's going on, buddy? He's so scared, you guys. Look. He's a scared little meow meow. Don't be scared. Look, he's a little cuddly muffin. Oreo, you have a leaf on your back. You have a leaf. Hey, buddy. He's a little hurricane meow. He's being a puffy little meow in the hurricane. Oh, he's gonna go fight something. Oh, it's Andy. Yeah.
We'll get Mindy's house really.
Should we? Okay. Oh, a catalog! Babe!
I ain't even trying to.
No, yeah, we're not even trying to get that down. And I have another spider too for that.
I'll cut the spiders out and that's that.
Oh my gosh. Poor little web. Oh my goodness! Yeah, I think everybody's probably driving around today like, let's look at the Halloween houses and see what happens.
Notice Charles still holding on to
Oh
the
my gosh.
spider.
Charles is still holding his baby spider.
Screaming, he's still holding it down, you know?
Screamy's still going. And little
So-
Jackie here. Screamy's still in place. These guys are all, and then Jim's still shy.
Guys, tell me when it's over.
Yeah. He's shy. Yeah, he's scared. He's like, I don't even want to see what's going on out there. Just tell me when it's over. Ah! Check out this hat. It's actually Max's hat, but it fits my head as well, so why not, right?
Patty guy.
Hey guys! What's up? You guys, the neighbor's flagpole is bent completely over. Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. Look. Oh dear. Oh, we are looking at the damage, guys. This is the saddest thing. See these neighbors? They were just putting a new roof on, guys, right? Okay. They just got that new roof and it was done. They just bought a freaking new roof for their house. And the shingles, Andy said the shingles have to like...
They have to set, they have to heat up and stick together.
Yeah, they heat up and they've got to stick together and... oh my gosh, we have a tree down. We have a tree down. Oh my freaking goodness, guys. This is crazy. So we're going to Ron and Holly's right now to see what their yard looks like. We'll go check it out. Let's see what happened to their display. Ghosty's still bouncing away. I love this ghost. He's really cute. Look, that inflatable. Nope, it's still on, babe. This inflatable is still on. He's on and he is probably going to stay like that. I don't really want to like go in their yard and do stuff to it, but if I see anything that's really in danger of being broken, I will totally help them. I think they're actually in pretty good shape considering. So look at this monster. I love the monster. Oh, look at their cauldron. Their cauldron broke too. You guys. No. Oh my heck. Their cauldron. And look, their tree's down too, just like ours. We have like almost the same tree. These guys are still big enough, man. Oh my goodness. He's gonna rip his cords out. And Holly, I hope you don't mind. Save this. Try to put it on. I think that'll be better. Oh my gosh, harvester. Bubba! Look, they're all pushed back. Oh no! Oh my goodness, Bubba! Bubba! Oh, there's a pumpkin town. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's someone smashed down there. Who has been murdered? Look, it's like the witch from Dorothy. Wizard of Oz. The house fell on him. What is it? Oh my gosh, that poor little guy. Somebody is down. Bubba is hanging in there. His house was blown just like Wizard of Oz in the tornado. Oh dear. The peeper face. Oh my gosh, they're still going. The electricity's on, guys. I can hear stuff, so I'm worried. Harvester! Oh, little Skelly Bones! He is swinging away. Do you remember my wedding ring? It was lost last night. Well, I was trying to put rocks on things, so I was grabbing things and stuff, and I didn't even feel it fall off. I was just like putting rocks and stuff, and then I ran over to you guys and I was like, wait, my finger, what's this? Oh my gosh, who's this? Who's this little lady? Oh, Creepy Catherine! Creepy Catherine is hiding under the trailer and she's talking. Catherine! Oh my gosh, she's talking. Oh, are you okay, Catherine? Say yes or no, are you okay? Okay, we're gonna have to help these animatronics because I think Ron and Holly are at work. Look at this. What should we do? Is there anything we can do to help them?
Like this for 12 hours.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know who this girl is, but she's kind of cool. I'm not sure where they got her. She's a cool prop though, yeah. Oh my gosh, this poor guy. But poor Creepy Catherine. I feel like her arms are trying to move. I don't want her to break. Okay, I think that'll be all right. His head is gone.
He might have taken it off.
Yeah, so crazy. There's the eyeballs we gave him. They're still hanging on there. They're hanging on those gooshes. So scary, but they did a pretty good job securing stuff. It looks pretty okay. I wanted to make sure everything was okay for them, but it looks like they did a good job. You guys, pumpkin boy! Pumpkin boy! No, it's an inflatable emergency! Ah! Oh my! He's been doing this for hours now. He's still blown up. He's still partying. He's not stopping. Pumpkin boy! You are my hero! You're an inspiration to us all! When times get hard, when things get rough, if you're having a bad day, just remember, Pumpkin Boy, he is an example to us all. He's still doing his duty. It is hard, it's treacherous, it's deadly, but this boy is still performing his duty for everybody. He is smiling, he's holding that dang sign, he's still blown up. He's not giving up. You know, he's doing it all with a smile. His attitude is amazing. This image needs to be burned in my mind. And all of you. You all need to be like, hurrah for you. Hurrah for you. You are a hero, sir. Pumpkin Boy! I salute you, Pumpkin Boy! Oh my gosh, you guys! Groceries! Groceries! Delivery! Oh, you want some crackers? You guys want some crackers? Oh my gosh, you guys want some homework? Oh, a newspaper? Wow! Oh my gosh! Instacart delivery! Nature's Instacart! Oh my gosh. Look at these winds, guys. Oh my goodness. So we're getting gusts. We just looked at the news and the weather. We are getting gusts of up to 65 miles an hour right now. So it's like pretty bad constantly, but these gusts are insane. They just like blast through all of a sudden, like, and just break everything. Like, they're crazy. Oh gosh, what, like, I'm just worried about someone who has a big tree. Check on this house up here. Usually has animatronics and inflatables. We're just gonna see how they're doing here. Oh gosh, I gotta stop for this one. Oh dear, they have Mr. Howell. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at now. Oh, they got the Fairy of the Dead. They have Mr. Howell, the carriage. Mr. Howell! Mr. Howell, no! Favorite animatronic for Halloween this year, I think. He is just having a hard time. Mr. Howell and the Fairy of the Dead. Oh my gosh. Fairy of the Dead, you're amazing. But look what's not handling it. There, Skelly is knocked over also, guys. 12-foot Skelly, he's down. Look at him, you guys, he is not. Oh my gosh. Oh dear, look at this guy. That is oh jeez. Look at all those tree branches down. Look at all the branches down they've got. That is the Emperor of Souls, guys. What has happened to the Emperor? That is the Emperor of Souls. He has lost his chair. He's lost his chair, guys. Look at that. That little baby Skelly is just hanging on. I can't believe their spider web is still up. The Emperor of Souls, bro. That is just... Poor man. I'm so sorry. And look, there's Jack Skellington. Oh, this pirate's going. These pirates are still making noise. They're going off. They're making their noises. Still okay. Oh, Dead End Cemetery. Dead End. This house is awesome. We love seeing this house every year. It's one of our favorites. I sure hope these animatronics are okay and they didn't break. I hope everything's still working. Yeah. Nightcrawler. Oh my gosh. That poor little guy. Oh gosh. And the carriage guy, he's having issues. He's having some issues here. Trying to control his carriage. This is like, I just feel so bad for everybody. I really hope these aren't broken. Skeleton is down. He has lost his arms. Yeah, he's lost his arms, guys. His arms are, one arm is broken off. One arm's broken off. Oh, what? Oh, Skelly. 12-foot Skelly. No. Yeah, his arm's broken, guys. His arm's broken. I feel so bad for everybody. This is just sad. Please don't be broken. The skeletons are so expensive. I will be so sad if people's skellies are broke, like ours. It looks like his arm is totally broken. This is crazy. These are the gusts, okay? These are the gusts I'm talking about. I'm up to 65 miles an hour. This is what it's breaking the trees and limbs. It's actually probably pretty dangerous for me to be out here right now.
Yeah, she's trying to found some of the stuff in
Oh
front of
my
that van
word.
down there. But I don't know where the head is at all.
Oh my word. Maybe I can peek for you over there.
It was really nice.
Yes.
I found it way down there.
Oh my gosh, this
With the
is
welcome
terrible.
sign way down there.
You know what? I'll see if me and my husband can just look down in the field, maybe see if the head's down there.
The dust is up to 50 miles an hour.
Yes,
they
I
said.
think it went up to 65 now.
And this is starting to down there because I've already just taken a fall.
Oh no. Well, we're here. We have a yard like this too, and if there's anything you need help with, we can help you.
I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, it looks like they're gonna be okay. They're probably where they're gonna stay at this point. But yeah, the skeleton. Yeah. Let me see if we can find it for you really quick. Then you can take it in. Ours is really light and hollow. I'm gonna get my husband. We're gonna just walk down there real quick. I want to see if the head is in the field.
Okay,
Because it's worth saving. Yeah, we'll go look. I have a feeling it blew down because it's like hollow and light, and then it blew down the sidewalk. We're gonna go look. Yeah. Oh, the pirates are still making noises. You guys, we're going to help that poor lady find the 12-foot skeleton skull. It's pretty dangerous, so we're gonna have to be fast about it. But yeah, we think it blew in the field over here. It's gone. It's gone. I feel like there's a skull in here somewhere. It's worth saving. Lots of groceries. If we can find the skull, I will be so happy. Their skull blew away. I have a feeling it's in this field. If we find it, it's going to be a miracle. Please be in here. Skelly! Andy thinks he sees it. Oh my gosh, you found it! He found it! Andy! You are a hero! Oh, that poor sweet lady. She's gonna be so happy. Babe, oh, a pumpkin! Is that a pumpkin? Is that a pumpkin? You guys, we're recovering broken conch pieces from the fields. Oh my word, babe! Babe, you're a hero. She's got a hole in the head. That's okay. That poor sweet woman, she fell trying to fix her display. There's no way she could come in this boat. I cannot believe we found him. We found the skull. We found her skelly. And you found a pumpkin. Like,
needs to put this inside and not try to fix it.
yeah, let's tell her. I just had a feeling it was in this field. I knew we could find it. We got him. We got the skull. I can't believe it, Andy. We got the skull in the field. It's a miracle. You're such a hero. Andy, you're a hero. You're a hero. We found it. There's a pumpkin too. We'll go look at him. We'll put this needs to go inside, I bet, these two.
Yes.
They're pretty hollow. Here, we'll hold this, you can put that in, and then we'll give you this one. Can't believe it.
I wouldn't try to fix it too much.
Yeah, we'll let that take care of it.
This is supposed to happen until tonight.
I think they'll probably take Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it even bent.
Yeah.
So that's what ours is. You know, we had sandbags, we had like sticks in ours, and it's right over here.
It doesn't look broke though.
Yeah, this actually looks.
Ours is like broke.
Ours is broken.
So I found this.
Yeah, I think he's gonna be okay because the plastic, that's all okay. It's still intact, so I don't even think he broke.
He just needs to be.
The head. You're welcome.
We'll go look
come
at
check
that.
on you again in a minute. Oh yeah, let's look at him.
He's probably okay.
Okay.
It's as good as he's gonna be.
Yeah,
Here, you can like.
I'll let you adjust it. We're like Halloween haunt responders.
He's okay.
Oh yeah, sure. You did so sweet and precious, guys. Yes. Yes, you are.
Well, I was just totally upset. There's nothing I could do. Thank you.
We'll let you go
so
relax.
much.
Yep, no problem. It was our pleasure. You guys, we were just driving around checking stuff out today, and we turned into Halloween haunt first responders.
First responder.